Hey, so welcome back in my YouTube channel, AI with Dhruv. So today I'm going to compare what best plan is suitable for you for N8N. Okay, so there are two and three ways that we can host our N8N account. Okay, the first one is itself N8N self-hosting. Along with that, then we do have you know VPS-based hosting, and then you can also install in your local computer. But that I won't suggest. That's good for test and try and entertainment, but not from the scaling or actual perspective. That is going to take a lot of time. So we do have two options. Okay, the first one is N8N in itself. You can see their pricing. How much? 20 euro if you are willing to pay yearly. If not, then it is 24 euro. So this is the plan that I took last month, and I almost given 3,000, okay, to N8N. So if you see right now, this is the plan that I have, okay, with N8N. But I haven't used a lot. I was just testing, try, and I created so many things, of course. But yeah, still that was not initially worth because I haven't yet started making any money with this automation. But yeah, I have a plan. I'm doing so many things. So with the help of that, I can make a money. And of course, I'll tell you that also. That's the reason I'm recording this video straightforward with you. So now I thought instead of paying directly 24 euro, that comes almost 3,000 rupees in as per Indian rupees because including tax and everything. So instead of going with that, here the best part, so here the N8N actual pricing, and then here I have just came up this side like this thing, Hostinger VPS hosting. So if you see now, if you come over here, so you can see they have just these plans, 399 rupees. And I think in last month, the 3,000 that I have given to N8N, even if I could have given 400 rupees also, I might be able to do all the things that I'm doing in my N8N direct hosting. So now what I'm going to do and why I'm doing this, so you guys can also simultaneously see how because I'm also at a learning phase. I'm doing all the things. So I have been doing it for more than 2 months as of now. And I have built a LinkedIn automation tool, if you see over here, so which directly get posted in my LinkedIn. If you want to go, you can check AI with in my LinkedIn. So that what I automated. I automated email and all those things. But yeah, this is the best use case that I have automated. And yes, I'm going to make it better and better in coming time. I'll create separate video for that. But now just I wanted to plan this instead of paying 3,000, and I'll see what the result is. Okay, and of course I'll share with you. So when you ask, few things will come in your question, in your mind, that should you go from N8N to VPS, or what would be the differences, what would be the challenges. More challenges I'll keep uploading for you so you get an idea. But the few things, the workflow, so I think the workflow is also unlimited in both places, and the active workflow, I think that is also there. The only part they are providing is one vCPU core, RAM. So it is such kind of a virtual part, virtual hosting that we are doing instead of doing locally, because anyhow N8N is free also. If you host now, then N8N is free also. That's what they say from community edition. Okay, see, I standard self-hosted version of N8N is available on GitHub, so it is also there. Okay, so what they have done, they have created their own virtual thing, especially Hostinger, and now they are giving it as a plan. So I think this is the best part. I'll test and try. I suggest everyone to have two accounts if you want to try. Start with this Hostinger account, check and test and try. And once you feel it is great, then you can choose whatever the plan you want for multiple months. Because once you go for multiple months, it would be a great idea. Okay, and that's how I'm going to do it. So initially, I'll choose this one. I'll test and try because already I'm testing and try my N8N that is going to over in next 7 or 8 days. And once I feel good, of course, I'll let you know. Okay. So this is the comparison video just I wanted to create for all those people who are spending a lot of money and it, and they are confused what to do with this video, because I came through the same. Okay, I just thought the same. So this would be a great idea, and that's what I'm going to do. All right. I hope this video would be helpful. If you have any question, you can drop in a comment, uh, and we'll see in next video. Okay. Thank you for watching.